Exposing the hidden wonders in Greenland, get ready to be amazed by Earth's largest island. From colossal glaciers and towering icebergs to the enchanting midnight sun that never sets, Greenland is a traveler's dream come true. Imagine standing face to face with majestic polar bears or witnessing herds of muskoxen and reindeer roam freely. This stunning island, part of the Kingdom of Denmark, is a treasure trove of natural wonders. Did you know that in the summer, Greenland basks in sunlight for weeks on end? It's a spectacle you have to see to believe. Ready to explore? Hit that subscribe button and dive deeper into the wonders of Greenland.